The liver plays one of the most important roles in our body by eliminating toxins. Without the liver, your body would not be able to absorb nutrients from foods. As the second largest organ in the body, it removes harmful material from the bloodstream and helps digest food. We consume many preservatives, additives, and processed foods frequently, so it's crucial that our body be given a boost from time to time so that it keeps working properly and remains healthy. Many foods can help cleanse, rejuvenate, and detoxify your liver. Here are the top 7 liver cleansing superfoods to keep it in top shape. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with so many powerful benefits for your liver. It has selenium, a mineral that helps boost antioxidant action, which is great for detoxification of the liver. The vitamin B6 in garlic works as an anti-inflammatory, while arginine, an amino acid, helps relax the blood vessels. This helps in easing blood pressure within your liver. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin as its primary active ingredient. It is known as a very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This ingredient also helps in protecting your bile duct. This helps in boosting bile flow, thus working as a liver cleanser. Sprinkle some turmeric over your food to add its amazing health benefits and great flavor. Number 3. Leafy green veggies. Leafy green veggies can help protect your liver by neutralizing chemicals, metals, and pesticides from the environment and your foods. They also produce enzymes that aid in removing toxins. Incorporate leafy greens such as bitter gourd, arugula, dandelion greens, spinach, mustard greens, and chicory into your diet. Doing this can help in increasing bile flow and eliminating waste products. This helps in boosting liver function and increases the production of nutrients in your body. Number 4. Avocados. Avocado is a well-known superfood. Avocado's nutrients glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E work as antioxidants that help in neutralizing harmful free radicals and in protecting liver cells against damage. Both vitamin E and K present in this fruit further help in protecting your liver against harmful inflammation because they are anti-inflammatory. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are a powerhouse nut. Not only do they support liver detoxification, but they are also loaded with antioxidants, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. They also contain high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione and support liver detoxification. Walnuts also have healthy unsaturated fats, which help to prevent the accumulation of fat in your liver. Number 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains high amounts of vitamin C and glutathione. There are so many processes in our body that require glutathione. This includes producing proteins and chemicals essential for the body, tissue building and repair, and making a stronger immune system. Number 7. Beetroot. Beetroot is very healthy for the liver and contains antioxidants called betalains, which helps to protect it from inflammatory and oxidant damage. High in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they help stimulate and improve overall liver function. You should also take beets because they help in cleansing and purifying your blood. Adding beetroot to your diet can increase your liver strength, and it's tasty too.